Being transgender is not easy in any society. Society sometimes fails to understand, and sometimes they are not willful enough to accept them. Though people have now started to accept them, but the struggle is real for transgender to reach that good lot of people. One of those strugglers is Nartaki Natraj, 54-year-old trans woman dancer. She was born in temple town of Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Her journey from getting thrown out of the house and receiving fourth highest civilian award, the Padma Shri, is really inspiring. Let's know more about her journey. Let's know more about Nartaki. Like any other transgender, Nartaki had tough childhood, or you may say she never had childhood. Before conversion, he was slave of darkness, and he was afraid of being bullied off his womanish mannerism. He used to leave home at night when nobody is there on road. One of his friends used to join him. They used to go at their decided place and dance their hearts out on cinema's songs. He was managing somehow. Then he was thrown out of the house at the age of 11. He did not have required education, so he did odd jobs for his survival. Those odd jobs managed to get him a time meal and somehow finish his schooling. This whole while, he kept his love for dance alive, even keeps it growing by time. When Nartaki turned 15, she started her search for a dancing guru who could teach her Bharatnatyam. After so many downfalls in her life, destiny finally took Nartaki to the Kittappa Pillai in Thanjavur. Kittappa Pillai is descendant of the Shivanandan and Vidhi Velu, who are considered to be father of Bharatnatyam. When Nartaki met Kittappa Pillai for the first time, she was unaware that the person she is meeting is such a great honor. Kittappa Pillai, who trained Nartaki, is also the one who trained stars like Hema Malini and Vijayanti Mala. The day Nartaki stepped on the door of Kittappa Pillai was the last day that Nartaki looked back. After that, she made Bharatnatyam her life. After 15 years of punctilious training, she became a magnificent dancer.
I born with like a silver spoon family, but that's not work out for my regular life. All wounds and pains only they weigh in front of me. I'm just cross with my hard work. I feel like just my life is I'm a wandering artist. I don't have any goal in front of me. It's a clueless life was my journey. But I have a courage, self-confidence, hard work. I have it. These are I feel my treasures. I preserve these treasures. This is my life going on. I have a lot of wounds and cuts and burns, but I don't want to express myself with these pains. I just want to what I prove in the society. That is Nartaki. Padma Shri, the government is a very prestigious civilian award. The government of India announced for me. That is not for my transgender identity. They just choose for my as a Bharatanatyam artist for my merit only, because I'm just crossed in more than 30 years to the service to this Bharatanatyam artist. I'm just preserve and propagate the rare compositions of the Bharatanatyam and language and lineages. I'm just still preserved. That way government choose. But what is the double benefit is I'm a transgender. I'm the transgender artist, but I don't want to show, I don't want to expect anything from you. I'm a transgender, please give anything, because I hate that, because the transgender identity is for my soul, that's not for life.
She performed in many countries, being it Canada, England, US, Denmark, France and Switzerland. She always believed Bharatnatyam comes out more beautiful when performed solo than in a group. She is known worldwide for her wide repertoire, including Sangam age poem, Bhakti literature, and contemporary songs. She also performed Appar in one of her recent shows. Appar is something that talks of the liberation of soul. Even after achieving so much, society never let her be in peace for her gender choice. As soon they get a chance, they pokes her, taunts her, and criticizes her for choice she made. In early phase of her journey, she along with her friend Shakti were few of those trans women who came out loud and accepted who they are. She found some genuine human beings too, who were kind enough to accept them and teach them dance. Nammanur Jayaraman, T.G. Jayaraman, and Bharat KS are some of those names. Nartaki has been awarded with Padma Shri because of her exceptional dancing skills, not because she is a trans woman who dances pretty well. She runs a trust named Villabalam that provides training to the aspiring dancers. She spends good amount for the well-being of the transgender community. She is the first ever transgender individual who is being honored with Padma Shri. She has a friend named Shakti who has been always there with Nartaki no matter what. She is also a dancer and a trans woman.